Right now, I'm traveling around Europe with my wife and 2.5-year-old while running a $30,000 a month agency that I built over the last 2 years with no ads, no dialers, and no team. Just me, my cell phone, and a laptop. And the crazy part is, the service I sell is incredibly simple. And here's the other thing. I don't do Zoom calls, I don't do follow-up emails, and I don't chase anybody. I close clients on the first call in under 30 minutes. I've been in sales for over 21 years, and in this video, I'm going to give you the exact framework I use word for word. The framework has 4 parts: the opener, questions, teaching, and closing. And that's it. The whole thing starts with something most people never lead with: a free offer. I cold call. No email warm up, no LinkedIn DMs. I just pick up the phone and call local home service businesses. My opener is not a pitch, it's an observation. Before I call, I'll pull up their Google listing profile and check their review count. Then when they pick up, I say, "Hey, I noticed you only have 12 reviews. Are you new in town? Or are you new in the area?" That's it. That's the whole opener. Now here's what happens. They almost always defend themselves. They'll say something like, "No, we've been here for years," or "No, we've been around for a long time," or "We're a great company," or "We're pretty well established." They're not mad, they're just reacting. And the reaction is exactly what I want, because now I say, "Oh, that's interesting. I actually built a system that helps plumbers get more reviews, and I wanted to give you 25 reviews for free just for feedback. Do you have 30 seconds? Now, because it's free and it's low commitment, most people will say yes. If they say no, I just lead with, "You don't even know what I have to say. Give me 30 seconds. You can hang up on me if you don't like it." Now, part 2, this is the important part. Part 2 of the framework is questions. Once they say yes, I don't pitch anything. I ask questions. Questions do 2 things. It builds rapport, and it gives you the ammunition I'm going to need later on in the close. Here's the questions I ask. How long have you been in business? How many jobs do you do per month? And what this does is it gives me a number. So you do 20 jobs per month and you've been in business for 10 years. Okay. How have you tried to get more reviews? What worked? What didn't? How many employees do you have? How many trucks do you have? How many crews do you have? One of those questions. Now, the last one sounds like small talk, and it's really not. It's giving me a rough idea of what the revenue is, and it gives me something specific for the close, which I'll show you exactly how in a minute. Now, after these questions, I make the pivot, and this one question makes a simple shift. Do you know where you're ranking on Google? If they say yes, I'll ask them where, and 9 times out of 10, they're just going to tell you, "Oh, it's bad, it's terrible, definitely not on the first page, not where I want to be." And if they say no, even better. Either way, I look it up myself and walk them through it out loud. I'm not on a Zoom, I'm not screen sharing, so I'm painting a picture with my words. And I do it slowly and deliberately. And it sounds like this. Okay, let me get you pulled up. Roofers in Dallas. Okay, looks like you're not in the top 3, and I'm scrolling as I'm talking. You're not 5th, not 10th. Okay, you're not on the first page. Keep going. You're not on page 2. Okay, here you are. You're the 3rd one down on page 3. So there's 20 listings per page, which means you're the 43rd listing. It means if somebody has an emergency or needs to call a roofer, they're going to have to go through 43 other companies before they get to you. Now, what this does is it creates an immense amount of pain. So we're not trying to figure out what their pain is. We're creating that pain to sell the product we have. So the next part, right after questions, we're going to go into teaching. And this is all before selling. Once this pain is created, I just ask them, "Do you know why you're ranked on the 3rd page? Do you know how Google works? Has anyone gone over it with you?" Most of the time, they're going to tell you no. If they say yes, go ahead and let them explain. If they say no, this is where you're going to explain it to them. Either way, they're in pain right now. Real pain. They've been in business for years, and they're nowhere to be found on the internet. And this is exactly where you want them to be. Now, in the next part, this is where you're going to explain the software that you're using for local rankings. I use Merchant, for example. So I'm going to explain everything that Merchant does, and that's what it takes to rank on Google. And they're going to ask how. This is where the close start. This is where you're going to go over what your software does to rank them. And that's exactly what they're going to need to rank. Now, I do something different than no other agency does. These are the promotions that they hear every single day on commercials, from cold calling, emails. Everyone has the same promotion. I use the word scholarship. Scholarship feels like it's specific and special to them. That's why it works so well. So we're not going to just give a discount or a scholarship for no reason. We're going to tie it back to the questions we initially asked. An example of a scholarship close for a roofing company that has 4 employees would be, "This is what you need to get done. This is what our system's going to do. Okay, this system is $899 per month. But right now there's a scholarship for any roofing companies that have 5 or less employees. And it's going to be $499 a month." Now the best part is that that price gets locked in. So if you end up growing and get to 6, 7, 8 employees, you're going to continue paying $4.99. You want to use Visa or MasterCard. This is very important. As soon as you give them the price and you give them the discount or the scholarship, you move right into asking for the sale. This is where you're going to get your rebuttals, and that's why it was so important to ask those questions. The scholarship feels real because it's tied to something personal they told you just 15 minutes ago. The price lock creates genuine urgency without a fake deadline, and the assumptive close skips the awkward moment entirely. So that's the framework. 4 parts: opener, questions, teaching, closing. No Zoom, no follow-ups, no chasing, just a phone call that ends with yes. I built this agency to $30,000 a month, and I promise you the hardest part is just picking up the phone. Now, if you want the full system, the scripts, the snapshots, the onboarding process, everything I've built over the years, it's all in my community that you can access with a free trial link down below. I do 2 live calls a week, so I'll see you on the calls.